Hello everyone, Rama this side. In this video, we will do the most difficult topic of your maths, that is tables. Okay, because all the students finds it's very difficult to learn the tables. So today we will discuss how we can learn or how we can create the tables from any number 1 to 100. That means you can say simply two-digit number maximum. Okay, so for this trick, you have to learn first the table of 1 to 10. इतना तो आपको you have to learn it. Okay, ये तो आपको याद करना ही है. Table of 1 to 10. And then we will continue from 11 to 99. Okay, so let's start. I'm taking a number, suppose I'm taking 17, a two-digit number. So for this trick, you have to learn first the tables of 1 to 10 and then just understand the concept. This 7 is at unit place and this 1 is at tens place. Okay, so what you have to do is बेसिकली आपको करना क्या है, आपको 1 का टेबल सेपरेटली लिखना है. सपोज आई एम राइटिंग हियर लाइक दिस. कंप्लीट 1 टेबल you have to write in a separate column and then you have to write the table of 7 here. Seven 6 42, 7 7 49, then 7 8 56, then it's 63 and then 70. Now how you can create a table of 17? This is my unit place, this is my tens place and all the digits like this. Because at one place we can't put the 2 digits, so we have to move this digit forward to the tens place. This is the simple logic. Let's see how we can create the table of 17 now. So firstly, just write 1 as it is, 7 as it is. So it is like this. Second, out of this 14, just write 4 over here and this 1 will move forward to this 2. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Out of this 21, I will keep 1 over here and move this 2 forward to the next digit, which is my 10th digit. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Out of this 28, I'll just write 8 over here and move this 2 to the next digit, which is my 4. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So in this way, you can simply add the digits and you can just find your table. 6 plus 4 is 10. Now keep 9 over here and move this 4 forward. 7 4 11. Keep 6 over here, move this 5 forward. 8 plus 5 13. So in this way, simply you can generate your any 2-digit number table very easily. Okay, now see, keep 0 here and move this 7 over here. So 10 plus 1 is 17. So in this way, this is my complete table of 17. Do you find it easy or interesting? Yes, it is very interesting and very easy. Okay, and no need to do the cramming. Just remember the table from 1 to 10. Now let's try another number. Suppose I am taking a number 23. So again what we have to do, first I am writing a table of 2 over here. 2 4s are 6, then 8, then 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. And write the table of 3 over here. After writing the table, what you have to do is, this is my unit place, this is my tens place. So just unit place as it is, tens place as it is. This is my first number 21, 23 ones are 23. Now keep 6 here and as there is no digit over here, so write 4 as it is. Keep 9 over here, 6 over here. Now this 12, how to treat this? Keep this 2 here and move this 1 forward to this 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Out of this 15, keep 5 over here, move 1 forward to the 10th digit. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Then keep 8 over here, move 1 forward. So it is like this. Keep 1 over here, move this 2 forward. Keep 4 here, move 2 forward. Keep 7 here, move 2 forward. So in this way you can find the table of any 2-digit number. So this is my table of 23. Now let's try one more number. Let me take a bigger number now, this time 64. So 64, how to treat that? So first I am writing the table of 6. 6 2s are, 6 3s are, 6 4s are, 6 5s are, 6 6s are, 6 7s are, 6 8s are, 6 9s are, and 6 10s are. Then write the table of 4 over here. 5 6 7 8 9 10. So now my first digit will be 64 ones are 64. Out of this 8, as it is a single digit, so just write it as it is, 128. Out of this 12, keep 2 over here, move 1 forward. So 18 plus 1, 19. Out of 16, keep 6 over here, move 1 forward. So it is 25. 0 and 30 plus 2 is 32. Keep 4 here as it is, move this 2 forward. 36 plus 2, 38. 8, move 2 forward, 44. Keep 2 over here, move 3 to the next 48. That becomes 51. Keep 6 over here, move 3 forward. So it is 57. Keep 0 over here, move 4 to the 60. So it will make 64, 640. So this is my table of number 64. Let's take one last example. I'm taking a number 88. Again, write the table of 8. 8 3s are, 8 4s are, 8 5s are, 8 6 7 8 9 10. Again, you have to write it here. It is just you have to keep in mind, at one place you can't put the 2 digits. If we are talking about a unit place, only 1 digit can come, and if we are talking about tens place, it can hold more than 1 digits. So my first number is 88. Or digits will be moved to the next place like 100 place or 10,000 or 1000 place, like this. 16 16, keep 6 over here, move 1 here forward. Out of this 24, keep 4 over here, move this 2 forward. So I am just doing it directly because we have already done 2 to 3 examples. So maybe you are, now it's clear to you how you can create the tables. 6 over here, move 5 forward, keep 4, keep 2 over here. So this is my table of 88. So in this way you can generate any table of any 2-digit number. Next will be how you can find a table of a number ending with 9. For that we are having a special tricks, like suppose I am having 19, I am having a number 29, I am having a number 49, or any other number which is ending with 9. Only 2 digits number I am talking about. So how we can find the table? It's simple. You have to just make a grid like this. Start writing the number from 1 to 9 like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First you have to do like this, then this, then this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now suppose I want to find the table of 19. So just write 1 over here. नेक्स्ट डिजिट के लिए आपको क्या करना है, जो भी आपकी टेंस प्लेस पे डिजिट है उसमें एक ऐड करना है, एंड जस्ट राइट ओवर हियर 2. Next what you have to do is जो भी आपकी टेंस प्लेस पे डिजिट्स है, you have to add 1 over here, so it becomes 2. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 2 71. So in this way you can generate your table. How to write this? First 19, then 38, then 57, then 76, 95, 114. So in this way your table goes like this. Do you find it easy or interesting? Yes, it is easy and interesting also. Say let's try with another number, which is 29. Just make a grid like this. Just write 1. Let me do it again. Just let me do it again. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4 will go like this. Then 7, 8, 9. So my first digit is 2. So just write 2 over here as it is. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now just keep on adding 3 on the corresponding number. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 3 14, then 17, then 20, then 23, then 26. So in this way you can generate a table of, and last will be always 290, 29 into 10 will be 290. So you have to write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in this way you can generate a table, any table where unit place is 9. So let's do 449 also. This time I have created a big grid. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Just write 4 over here as it is. 4 plus 1 is 5. So keep on adding 5 to the tens place. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 5, 19. Then it is 24. Then it is 29, 34, 39, and then 44. And last will be my 490. So in this way you can generate a table of a number ending with 9. And above I have told you how you can generate a table of any number, any 2-digit number. The base is you just have to learn the table from 1 to 10, and then it will be easily applied, or easily you can find a table of any number from 1 to 100. So just try all these methods. Keep learning, keep growing. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.